What's up, y'all babes? It's the girl Ja Renee. You don't want to know why? Because you tuned in to Ja's World. Today I'm gonna do my go-to everyday like summertime makeup look. It's no eyeshadow, just straight face beat and a little lip gloss to just set it all off. So yeah. I want to do another prank though on my mom, and I asked you guys to get that video to 20 likes, and y'all got it past that. So yeah, and like I said, 20 might not seem like a lot to some, but it's a lot for me, so I appreciate it. So now you guys, I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop concealer in the color Light 18. Guys, I have an idea that I want to do that I'm excited about. I want to go on a journey with you guys together, like any small YouTubers. Since like I'm a small YouTuber, I want to go on like a journey, like how to get to our 1,000 subscribers quickly. And I've been doing like a lot of research, and I've learned a lot of things to like basically help us get to where we need to go quickly. I want to set up like a 5-week series. So comment down below if you're interested in that, because I'm trying to grow and get to my 1,000. I'm at like 700 right now. Thank you guys for that. I'm super excited. Like, y'all don't even understand how much that means to me. Seriously. So I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze. I got more vlogs coming for you guys. I'm gonna be traveling soon. I'm just excited. I cannot wait to share all my research with y'all, just everything.
Everything that I got for y'all. So make sure y'all subscribe, because y'all gonna miss out.
Y'all really going to miss out. But I'm excited. It's all good things happening. Like, you gotta make sure you stay prayed up. Stay prayed up, thanking God for everything you have, and thanking God for things He haven't even done for you yet. That's key. Alright, so I'm just gonna use this powder that I have in this color here and just set under my eyes before they start creasing. I like to just look like this. I know I look crazy, but it gets it done. You gotta have your eyes pop. No. Certain things you gotta do for beauty. This is bronzer, my Urban Decay Beach bronzer, and it's in the color Bronzed. So y'all, let me show y'all. I was, talk about devastated. Talk about thought my life was over. Talk about I thought I was dying when this dropped. Like, have y'all ever dropped y'all favorite makeup or eyeshadow palette or something and it just, yeah. Now, when I do like my everyday summertime makeup, I don't put on blush. Like, I just want my face to be natural, but I do go in with my highlighter. I can't leave the house without it. Everybody knows. I will probably never use nothing else in life, so get used to it. Don't y'all just love Rihanna? So this is the LA Girl Ultimate eyeliner in brown, right? But I use it for my lips because
I does what I want.
Now I'm just gonna take this. What is this? I don't know. It's just a I don't know. It's called Angel Wings. I don't know what brand it is. There's nothing on the label, so. Then I'm going to go in with Morphe's lip gloss in the color Chill. Put that all over. And this is basically like my go-to lip. So depending on like how I feel, I'll go in, put some mascara on and pop some lashes on, or either I won't pop lashes on. Today I think I'm just gonna keep it really simple. I don't think I'm gonna wear any lashes because I don't want to. Double D. Oh my gosh. That's a mouthful. LA Girl Double D Double Drop of Mascara.